Hakani ka dorkas ni la kerensyai ba hadian ini yos ni nada kimlei ingin khat deka mass public rally.
Concerning over the implementation of Common University Entrance Tests, Nyautrap Integrated Territorial Organization Central Body as a social organization today said immediate implementation of the Common University Entrance Test is yet to be accepted by the student community in the state as the procedural measures are an ongoing process. In a letter written to the Education Minister, Lakman Rumboy, Nyautrap Integrated Territorial Organization said the organization would like to suggest to the government that most of the student community from the state are from Meghalaya Board of School Education background and therefore before the government take into consideration to move forward for the setting up of examination center in every district headquarters.
Tamantaka si kajingwan jungi supo Shillong Press Club kadai halor ka agenda jung kuat pengilawan ye kendo ye Education Minister ba Lakman Rumboy entah sih. Haji kendo ngil ai ka dorkas abang ni persat ye ka man penlong ye kan Common University Entrance Test. Hadian patangi la ya Shillong ngil ya tai ngil ya sani nakaliang ka jungi seng HITO ngil ai ka suggestion ka government juga Meghalaya pakin shim daki lat kilenti bante lakam kamtam ye ka sab cyber cafe kiba takut dor hadu news pa paspa bagi kena kila complain chungi ba kafis ka daisan sanpo ngir mala check lang ba ka website ka register online kajungki kajing temu jungi ni wan nan kong yang ban persat badai ba hadu menta yim phati I ya kita kisenta tengin dala kendu hangto bat markhamat bati Education Minister ila yathok kala don kajing ya keren verbally kajing tho pakin set up ya center man lagi district pan ai ka coaching yakini ki khna ki ban yale kani ka kwet exam tela da ja pakane ka facilities kambyang shwa kini ki exam ina ka leng ka sang nimban se bangin shim da koi ki lat klenti pan ya keren bat man pembore ka sarkar man pembyang ni facilities ni I ka don ru kalat kaba ailat kini ki khna ki badang yele yakani ka class 12 la da ja bagim phadio result ru te kila ban attempt ye ka exam te naga to ka jingkeli rungi I ba kadon hadu sanpu tli ki jingkeli bat kila ban attempt hadu saupo tang tu kilang ki language ru ki don hadu khalai te mindala pe ye ka to ka language hak to kurkom no nakalian jungi ngila sungdei baka sarkar bakan dai banship initiative wut ban bangkloi no ye ka ban pendrung ye kinten khasi khnang ba kendala wan kum kini ki jat exam kari bagi jat pendeu jungi kan yo kita kilat ban jele exam da ka keden la jong